The silicone properties of Dow materials could prove invaluable across a wide range of automotive applications. These materials help address significant challenges associated with designing and producing large volumes of lithium battery systems for the electric vehicles of tomorrow. The inherent properties of silicones benefit EV batteries by providing strength, flexibility, thermal management, and cell protection in the case of an individual cell failure or thermal event. Here we'll demonstrate how a silicone encapsulant can help mitigate thermal propagation or thermal runaway in the event of an individual cell failure. First, we establish our testing protocol, constructing a steel mini-module housing holding a 3x3 array of 18 650 cells at a 0.8 mm gap. A high-temperature wire is tightly wrapped around the center cell, enabling us to overheat the cell and create a thermal event. In this control test, the mini-module is void of any encapsulation material. It is unfilled with only the 0.8 mm air gap between the cells. Within several minutes of heating the center cell, you can watch it ignite with a bright flash. Within a few seconds, you'll see the subsequent ignition of all 8 of the adjacent cells. Though the thermal event is quite impressive to witness, it is not the ideal nor a safe result. In the next test, we create the same mini-module configuration, filled with a Dow silicone encapsulant. The center cell is again overheated to the point ignition occurs. In this test, though, notice there is no additional cell ignition. The center cell electrolyte solution quickly extinguishes, and the adjacent cells remain intact, signifying success. The versatile properties of silicones enable highly tunable performance attributes that are driving new innovations for streamlining assembly and enhancing the performance and safety of advanced battery systems. Offering soft gels, encapsulants, and foams for additional lightweighting, these materials are available with low viscosity and controlled working time to allow for filling complex architectures. In addition to providing many proven, innovative, and emerging silicone technologies for electric vehicle applications, we can also customize materials to address your unique application challenges. Let's find solutions together.